Welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, we will go to Amsterdam. So we will take another train. We done already one train, so yeah.
A few moments later.
I'm just looking outside.
Oh, it's quite nice.
It's not this tree. Vind ik ook. Ja, als je dan wel snel doorheen, hè? Oh, gaat 5 minuten per serie.
Hi Jun! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, we will go to Amsterdam. So we will take another train. We done already one train, so yeah.
That was so much fun.
Yeah.
Ja, nou we going over.
Number 7. Here we have 12 minutes to wait. We will wait the train here if there's no delay. So yeah, it's cold. It's cold today. Wait the train here, and Ben is there, and Julia is there.
Using the electric.
My jacket today, but it's still a bit cold. So yeah. So we're waiting here.
Make me worry.
So yeah, and there's a train already on the other side, but we will wait the train here. So, and I put on my makeup today because we have some times when we're in the house. So I put some makeup, foundation, and kilay is left. So yeah. Look at that. So we will go inside because it's so cold outside. Here, inside.
You don't have to do that in the Philippines.
We're waiting here because it's so cold outside. In here it's warm.
Oh, it's okay.
A few moments later.
Another train. Two. She look like me. Can I smile? See? You look alike. Nobody here, that's why we're sitting here, guys. Only Ben, Julia, and me. So nobody in sitting. So
Okay. Is it papa's?
the ears. ear.
How old's your ear, man? Yeah. How old are you?
She like
What? That's big, though. Mama, she's big.
side because of the sunlight. Look at that.
One, two.
Ah, so heavy. So heavy. You know it. Ah!
I see horses.
The dark spots of the dark in front of it.
Look at that.
And horses.
And there's the horse.
In the train, and I wake up so early today. I wake up 8 o'clock. Around 7, almost 8 o'clock. Normally I wake up 10, and now the time is around 9 o'clock. So I wake up. That's amazing and miracle that I wake up so early. So yeah, we're in the train now, and we're on the way to Amsterdam. So yeah, here, look at that.
Horses, yeah.
So I'm using the ultra white now. That's what it looks like. Hi.
Daddy, look, I can put my hat here.
Yeah.
So they're my model. My model, the two of them.
Only one model. It's the model of the mama.
Look how beautiful it is. End of the So yeah. There's a lot of people is
Shall we
waiting.
stop here?
So yeah.
We stay inside. No, we stay inside. Only people getting in now. See that?
Barn. So you can see it.
It's
Barn.
too small.
Yeah.
Let's make it bigger.
There.
People can read. Barn. Mama, when it does. Okay, again.
Baby.
Say in the camera, my mama wanted a boy.
My mama wanted to have a boy, but my dad wanna have a girl.
High five.
I'm a girl.
Look outside the thing. Maybe we see duckies.
Stop.
Guys, sa Amsterdam.
Center.
Center.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, yeah.
Bye-bye.
She don't like her face mask because it's so big. Here. So that's why we're wearing our face mask, guys. But when we go out, we're gonna take it out. So, yeah. We need to wear a face mask inside here.
Papa will take it off from you.
Oh my god, it's nice to look. Which one, yeah?
Here.
So many people.
No. Look, there's a small train, tram.